Okay, hi, and welcome back. Attorney Steve, Morning Edition. Okay, so kind of up this morning, early, having a hard time sleeping, so thought I would look up something that's out there in the news these days. Donald J. Trump for President companion agreement. And this deals with Omarosa, the reality TV star, and Donald Trump campaign, where she joined the campaign and then signed this non-disclosure agreement, which is known as an NDA. And in this agreement, she agreed to keep, as you can see, Section 1, no disclosure of confidential information during the term of your service and at all times thereafter. You hereby become and promise and agree not to disclose, disseminate, or publish, or cause to be disclosed, disseminated, or published any confidential information unless expressly authorized by the campaign's executive director or his designee, not to assist others in obtaining, disclosing, disseminating, or publishing confidential information unless expressly authorized by the campaign's executive director. C, not to use any confidential information in any way detrimental to the campaign, Mr. Trump to Mr. Pence, and any Trump or Pence family member, any Trump or Pence company, or any Trump or Pence family member company, and not to store or memorialize any confidential information, including without limitation, incorporating it into any storage device, server, internet site, or retrieval system, whether electronic, cloud-based, mechanical, otherwise, except as may be expressly required in connection with the performance of services. So basically, this is a non-disclosure agreement, with the Donald J. Trump campaign, and this is what is creating a lot of controversy right now. Apparently, Omarosa has written a book called Unhinged, where she says she's going to blow the whistle on whatever it is she saw. And, Trump is saying that this is an enforceable arbitration agreement. She can't do that, and that she's violating the terms of the agreement. And if we go down, let's see here. There's different things on definitions, who's a family member, those kinds of things. Let's see, can we get any further here? It's not the easiest document to work with. At any rate, some people are saying that, this agreement is just not enforceable because it violates public policy. Some people say, well, it prevents her from speaking to Congress, and you can't have an agreement like that. Some people say it can't go on in perpetuity. Could violate a public policy. So there's, you're going to get a lot of different opinions on something like this. But I was looking in here. Let me see if I can just do this real quick. I was looking in here and did see an arbitration clause. Let me see if I can get down here. Remedies, consent to an injunction, agreement to indemnify. You hereby agree to indemnify, defend with counsel acceptable to Trump or Pence, and hold harmless each Trump or Pence person from and against any claim, demand, suit, proceeding, damages, cost, loss, or expense of any kind or nature, including but not limited to reasonable attorney fees, disbursements incurred by any Trump or Pence person as a consequence of your breach of any of your promises or agreements in this agreement. So they have that in there. Damages and other remedies, notwithstanding anything to the contrary, each Trump or Pence person will be entitled to all remedies available at law and equity, including but not limited to monetary damages. So you may be seeking, I believe Trump is seeking money damages of an unknown amount. So this is kind of what you're looking at. Here's that arbitration clause I was talking about. Trump has filed, from what I understand, he has filed to move this into arbitration and try to seek his fees and whatever other remedies he's going to be seeking. So she, of course, is saying, sorry, I'm a whistleblower. You can't stop a whistleblower. like I said, a lot of people say this may not be enforceable. I say I don't know. It's probably going to come down to the judge, who the arbitrator is, assuming they end up in arbitration, and what that judge's view is. And also in New York, what's the case law say? Do you have case law supporting your position? Do you have case law not supporting your position? So this is the basic NDA, and if you go a little bit further in here, you get down to the actual consulting agreement that she had. And you can see here, it looks like she was making $15,000 per month, so about $180,000 a year. And I don't know, something happened where she wasn't happy anymore, and now Trump's fighting with her, calling her wacky Amarosa. So we'll see where this one goes. I'll keep you posted if I can find out how that ends up in arbitration. But I'm sure you'll see it on the news as well. But I just want to give you a peek of what a non-disclosure looks like and what some of the issues to enforcement of these are. Okay? So that's Attorney Steve Vonner, and hope you've enjoyed that. Just a little insight into politics and a non-disclosure agreement. Take care now. We'll see you again.